OMG, OMG. So, OMG, look at the sugar cane. Look at the sugar cane. Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? Me, I'm so tired up. We're just waiting for the nephews to come down because they are there in the upper, in the valley. Yes, look at guys. So everybody, you can see what is in the farm right now. Yeah, that's the POOR lady. That's the POOR lady having the video here. So this is the sugar cane. Sugar cane. Okay, thanks for watching me over there. Thank you, thank you. I'm so tired. Oh, three. We bought fertilizer, 3 sacks of fertilizers only for first first dose. This is first dose. And the second dose, maybe it's 6 sacks of rice. A rice of fertilizer. Oh, so that's what it is. Thanks for watching. My hands is, you know, bad.